now, where the local time is 9:55 a.m. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and your carry-on items stowed until the aircraft is parked at the gate and the captain has turned off the seatbelt sign. Please be careful when opening overhead bins to avoid injury from items that may have shifted during flight. Feel free to use your mobile devices. Before leaving the aircraft, take a quick look around your seat and make sure you have everything you brought on board. Your satisfaction is important to us. In the next several days, you may receive an email survey from Delta. We value your feedback and use your responses to continually improve your travel experience. Thank you, and we look forward to hearing from you. We invite you to download and use the Fly Delta app for all your future travel needs, including checking in for a flight and managing your Sky Miles account. On behalf of Delta, thank you again for sharing your journey with us. We enjoyed having you on board and hope to see you again. Ladies and gentlemen, your safety remains Delta's top priority. As we deplane today, we are asking everyone to help us out by allowing a safe distance between yourself and other customers. Please remain seated until the customer seated in front of you has retrieved their items and began moving towards the boarding door. Once the row in front of you is 6 feet away, you may retrieve your items and deplane. We appreciate your understanding and assistance, and we can't wait to have you back. Have a wonderful morning.
I think 60% is our maximum.
I thought it was at 70.
Yeah, no, 60. But even then, it's, you know,
Which terminal are we coming in at, babe?
So the limit suites are closed.
Here's a photo that I took during my layover at ATL. This is what the world's busiest airport looked like midday on a Saturday in June 2020. It was dead and, quite frankly, eerie. Unless you traveled through ATL at the peak of COVID, you've probably never seen the airport this quiet, especially during the daytime. Anyway, just a cool photo I wanted to share. I'm really happy to finally be posting on YouTube again. I'm sorry I've been so MIA. The past 5 or so years have been extremely busy, especially towards the end of high school and throughout the past 3 years of college. I'm a rising senior now, which is crazy to think about, studying aerospace engineering. If you follow my Instagram, which I've been a little more active on, you may know I go to school in Cleveland, Ohio, so you'll start seeing a lot more Cleveland content soon on the channel. In addition, my family has moved full-time to Hilton Head, South Carolina, so you'll also start seeing less New York/Westchester footage and more Savannah Hilton Head videos moving forward. Honestly, with how much content I have stored on my computer, I probably have enough to get me through the end of the year. My current upload schedule is Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday at 12 p.m. Eastern, and I'm gonna try to stick to that. I hope you guys have been enjoying the videos, and I really appreciate all your support. I hope everyone's doing well, and I'll see you guys next time.
Please hold on. This train is departing. The next stop is for Seagates. C as in Charlie.